As a reminder, the front end, like we talked about before, is the HTML that creates the structure of the website, the CSS that formats the website, and the JavaScript that allows the website to do things and to function. The back end is what we're going to use primarily for data storage, like user info and preferences, as well as any large computations that would require a server-side computation to actually compute. And then finally, we're going to teach you how to deploy these websites, starting off with GoDaddy as well as Amazon's AWS and Heroku. To go through these courses in a little bit more detail, and just to recap, the Coding 101 course is for front-end web development. Coding 102 course will be for Python and back-end web development. Our Coding 103 class will focus on SQL and database management and database queries. Our Coding 104 class will connect the front end with the back end so that you can access your database on your actual front end website. We're going to learn a little bit about SQL Alchemy as well as Flask in this course. Our Coding 105 course is going to talk about how to actually deploy the websites that we built in a little bit more detail. The Coding 101 course, we're talking about just how to quickly get a website onto GoDaddy. This course will talk a little bit more in depth about how to deploy it on some more advanced cloud platforms such as AWS and Heroku. And we're also going to go into a little bit more detail in terms of how to use professional grade tools such as GitHub to code more efficiently and more effectively. And then finally, our Coding 106 course will provide a quick recap of all the classes that you learn in Coding 101 through 105, as well as prep you for coding interview questions. So in these types of interview questions, you're going to learn a lot about, you're going to have to go over different types of algorithms and data structures. So this Coding 106 course is an intro to algorithms and data structures that will be very helpful for you in interviews. And since at Uprise University, we're very focused on building real stuff, we're going to build projects right out of the gates. So we're going to build a lot of different projects in our Coding 101 class. I just put pictures and what's called a Picmonic here on this slide to go over or to highlight all the different projects that we're going to build. We're going to start off just very quickly learning how to code on any browser. We're going to use Google Chrome. So you can actually code with just any access to Google Chrome. We're going to build some very quick and easy projects there. Then we're going to go on to JavaScript as well as HTML and CSS to build some more advanced projects. And then finally, we're going to have a capstone project called Sally Says. And then we're going to have you build your own project. That will be the culmination of everything that you've learned.